What's going on, guys? Joe the Gamer Away here. Hope you guys are doing well today. Welcome back to another video of the Know the Gamer 808 vlogs and reactions channel. In this video today, I'm going to give you guys the best tips and tricks of how to grow on Instagram. I will give you guys my best advice on tips and tricks to how to grow on Instagram, try to grow your following, grow your viewership, and grow all of that kind of stuff. But let's get ahead and get started. Number one for my best tips and tricks on Instagram is to consistently post on Instagram. Definitely stick to a Instagram schedule. I would recommend scheduling the best times that Instagram recommends you to post for either reels, posts, and stories. And then also the other tip I would also give as well, tip number 2, is that make high quality posts and reels and stories. Some really good tools that I would recommend for making some really good stories is if you're brand new to making stories, you could also use Canva. Canva is also a website I use to make my thumbnails, make my stream schedules, make my other ones as well, and my stream plans as well. So if you guys want to get into something that's actually free, I would recommend getting Canva. But if you guys want to go premium, you can also do Adobe Premiere Pro, or you can do DaVinci Resolve as well to make high quality reels and posts as well and stories. But if you're also looking to make your clips, if you're like a gamer like myself, or just trying to post regularly, you can use your phone to film the reels. Or you can also use, if you're a gamer, you can also use this website called Eclipse, which is a website where you can actually make clips that you make from your live streams, either if you're streaming on Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, or Kick, those places, or Facebook. What Eclipse will do is is that after you end your stream on the platform you're streaming on, they will go back, try to look through the whole entire live stream and cut it all down so they give you some highlights to make into either clips or to make into videos. Definitely check their website out. Definitely go check out Eclipse. I will have their description down below if you guys want to go and check out their website. I also will have one down below for Canva as well if you guys want to go and check out both those websites, because I would definitely recommend those websites. They've been working well for me, so I would definitely recommend them. And also, another tip as well is to definitely be yourself. This is what I always do every time when I make these kind of tips and tricks videos like I did with Twitch. If you guys want to go check that out on the second channel, definitely go check that out if you guys need some tips and tricks streaming wise on Twitch. So definitely go and check them out. But yeah, tip number 3 is definitely be yourself. Definitely know that this is a journey, that it's going to take time, it's going to take effort on Instagram. And I would definitely recommend for also some tips as well. This is tip number 4. This is another one I forgot, is to add hashtags. Hashtags are definitely going to be useful for what people are looking for, because the Instagram algorithm always tries to recommend posts, reels, and stories. So definitely put some relevant hashtags to the posts that you're making. If you're doing like a vacation vlog, put hashtag vlog, or the place that you went to vlog that, or take that picture of the post. So definitely put some hashtags in there. And definitely for if you're doing like a gaming reel as well, put some gaming hashtags in there, like !gaming, !Twitch streamer, !YouTube gaming, YouTube, all that kind of stuff. Definitely put some relevant hashtags in there, and definitely take your time of trying to find a relevant hashtag that goes with the post, because that's what people are looking for on Instagram. Is definitely put some relevant hashtags in. It's a really big tool to actually grow on Instagram, and definitely to grow on other social media platforms. It's really, really, really. So I would definitely do it. So hopefully this video does help you out of how to grow on Instagram. Let me know down in the comments if I did a really amazing job of trying to give you guys the best tips and tricks on Instagram. Let me know down below. If you guys want to see more tips and tricks videos that I do on this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to also drop a like on the video. And I really do appreciate you guys watching this video. Hopefully it does help you out. And I will see you guys in the next one.